All right, I got two go-karts. I got this one running, everything's fine on it. But however, on this one, I had spark and fuel and compression, no start. You may think to yourself, why is that? So, if you have a go-kart made by Coolster or any Chinese go-kart that has this particular motor on it, check this out before you go and think the motor's trash. So I took the bolts off already, but if you look right here on the front of the engine, there's this plate, and the gasket blew on this side, causing all the compression to the air inside the head to escape out of this, causing the motor not to have any compression. So if you read that you don't have any compression, but you have spark and fuel, just make sure you check this out and replace the gasket in it before you think it's trash, because if the air escapes through here, it won't have enough compression to fire. But anyway, I thought I'd make a short video on this Coolster go-kart 125cc motor. Check this out and make sure the gasket did not blow under this plate on the top of the motor before you think the motor's trash. And I hope this helps y'all out. Just replace that gasket and it should start up and accelerate just fine. Thank y'all.